October 18th in the bays with Jude and I. Good morning.
We're swamped.
We're so swamped. We're so busy here. I've never seen it like this in years. Saturdays are always hit or miss, but we usually have enough work to at least cover payroll and then a little bit, or we're slammed. The first customer today put $9 on the counter with a Mercedes for a diagnostic. That was 9 $1 bills, and it's the fourth time that this person's been to my location.
What if they brought quarters?
But the customer was told multiple times that it's $90 for a diagnostic, and today, and I don't understand, I don't get it, and I never will, and I need to figure out, is this really the next 10 years of my life?
Yep, you're fucked.
That's not true. So 3 appointments. We had 3 appointments tonight. Only one showed. That would be the oil change for the Honda. We can barely go to McDonald's and feed a family of 4 for this job. The phones rang twice in an hour and a half.
Yep.
We opened at 7:30. So Jude's going through the oil change process, open the hood, look underneath. This is a repeat customer, actually a new customer. He's been here 3 times this year, catching up on brakes that were neglected.
Little maintenance, nothing crazy.
Maintenance stuff, some body work that we did for her, some window molding, some weather strips, bunch of like cosmetic stuff. But really, it's in good shape. So this should be a spill and fill and some fresh wiper blades and out the door. But yeah, this is for real. And I don't get it.
And you wonder why my cars aren't done.
Yeah.
Ain't no overtime.
Maybe it's, I think I've cleaned the bay windows 3 times this year.
I think you have.
Because the first quarter was very slow. Second into third was busy, and fourth quarter is taking a nosedive. But I cleaned the windows in the first quarter, and then I cleaned them in the middle, and then it looks like I'm going to be cleaning the windows again. Cover your shirt.
No, I need to talk to you off of YouTube.
Oh, this is not YouTube. This is a video.
Well.